Olivia, and this is my little brother, Yuxiang. And today we're going to show you how to play Sylvanian Families. Hi, Sylvania. Oh. Hi, Kate. Are you awake? Yeah, I sleep good. Oh no, I need to pee. Oh, go to the washroom. Okay. I heard. Oh, honey is. Let's go to the bathroom. Oops. Now to wash my hands. Oh, I have not enough toilet. This could help me. Mommy, I hurt my leg. It's okay. Okay, all done. I'm a bit hungry. Ooh, pancakes! I love it. It's not cooked. I don't know how to cook pancakes. Never mind. Just wait here. Nobody's here. Sylvania! Sylvania! Oh! Hi, Kate. What's up? I'm a bit hungry. Can you cook pancake, please? Sure, but it's still really early. Are you sure you don't want to eat pancakes? Yeah, I know. Okay, I'm coming down. Ooh. Okay. Just wait over there. Okay, fine. No, we shall stay out already. Okay, here's your pancake. Yes, gymnastic. Ooh, thanks, Sylvania. You're the best. You're gymnastic. I want to excuse me. I need to go to bed. If you're finished, remember to wash. All right. Yum, yum, yum. I'm so full. Oh yeah, wash the dishes. I don't want to make my hands so dirty. Let me go. Maybe let's play. Oh yeah, the piano. Sylvania, can I play the piano? Of course. Ba 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 ba. Oh, it's ringing my ears. Can you please don't be so loud? Okay, fine. I'm going to sleep then. Yum yum. La 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 la. Oh, hi Rebecca. What are you doing here? Did you climb the stairs by yourself? Goo. Okay, fine. Let's go down. I'm a bit tired. Now to come down. Me! Oh no. Is it pain? Goo. It's sure pain. Okay, let's go to wash. Oh, you use this? No wonder why the laundry is so dirty out here. Okay, let me put some water. Is it better? Goo. Okay, you want to play? Goo. We're going to sleep. Goo. Okay then. Wow, she's so fast. Wow. Okay, come on. You can go to sleep. Oh yeah, your bottle. Almost forgot. She loves her bottle. You want to get your bottle? Goo. Oopsie. Goo. Okay. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. I feel a bit sleepy now. Maybe I just sleep at the floor. Bye guys, and make sure to subscribe.